everyone and welcome back. In today's video, we're at Chapter 5, Class 6 NCERT Civics, which is called Panchayati Raj. A side note, the 73rd and 74th Amendments to the Constitution ensured the reservation of one-third of the total seats for women in all elected offices or local bodies in both rural and urban areas. What does that mean? Amendments to the Constitution give women right to be seated in the local bodies. Okay, great. Let's move on. Okay. The Gram Sabha is a meeting of all adults who live in the area covered by a panchayat. This could be only one village or a few villages. In some states, as in the example above, or we didn't really see that, but okay. A village meeting is held for each village. Anyone who's 18 years old or more who has the right to vote is a member of the Gram Sabha. Every village panchayat is divided into wards, i.e., smaller areas. Each ward elects a representative, who is known as the ward member. All the members of the Gram Sabha also elect a sarpanch, who is the panchayat president. The ward panch and the sarpanch form the Gram Panchayat. So there's the Gram Sabha with all the people in it, and then there's the Gram Panchayat with only the sarpanch and the panchas. The Gram Panchayat is elected for 5 years. The Gram Panchayat has a secretary who is also the secretary of the Gram Sabha. This person is not an elected person but appointed by the government. The secretary is responsible for calling the meeting of the Gram Sabha and Gram Panchayat and keeping a record of the proceedings. The Gram Sabha is a key factor in making the Gram Panchayat play its role and be responsible. It is the place where all plans for the work of the Gram Panchayat are placed before the people. The Gram Sabha prevents the Panchayat from doing wrong things, like misusing money or favoring certain people. It plays an important role in keeping an eye on the elected representatives and in making them responsible to the person who elected them. So it's just a meeting so that people can see what is going to happen, so they can talk about whatever they want the village to look like. The work of a Gram Panchayat includes the construction and maintenance of water sources, roads, drainage, school buildings, and other common property resources, levying and collecting local taxes, and executing government schemes related to generating employment in the village. Sources of funds for the Panchayat: collection of taxes on houses, marketplaces, etc. Government scheme funds received through various departments of the government through the Janpad and Jila Panchayats, donation for community works, etc. 3 levels of panchayats. After reading about what happened in the Gram Sabha and the Gram Panchayat in the Hardis village, you can understand the Panchayati Raj system is a process through which people can participate in their own government. In rural areas, the Gram Panchayat is the first tier or level of the democratic government. The panchas and the Gram Panchayat are
answerable to the Gram Sabha because it is the members of the Gram Sabha who elected them.
This idea of people's participation in the Panchayati Raj system extends to two other levels. One is a block level, which is called the Janpad Panchayat or the Panchayat Samiti.
The Panchayat Samiti has many Gram Panchayats under it. Above the Panchayat Samiti is the District Panchayat or the Jila Parishad.
I'll read this point again. One of the block level, which is called the Janpad Panchayat or the Panchayat Samiti. One is the block level, which is called the Janpad Panchayat and the Panchayat Samiti. The Panchayat Samiti has many Gram Panchayats under it. Above the Panchayat Samiti is the District Panchayat or the Zilla Parishad.
Zila Parishad actually makes development plans at the district level. With the help of Panchayat Samitis, it also regulates the money distribution among all the Gram Panchayats.
And yeah, that's the whole chapter. Hope you enjoyed. Bye.